What is up, my friends? So I am very sorry I'm late. A lot of stuff happened today life-wise. I had to mow by hand almost an acre of grass and then do a whole bunch of other stuff. So gave extra time for people to jump in on the giveaway. Second point is running the giveaway like we did, where we didn't put it in the title or anything like that, kept away people that just show up for giveaways, unlike you guys that actually watched the video and knew it was a giveaway. So thank you very much to you guys. You guys are awesome. So we're going to do the giveaways if we have more, which we will eventually. The same way, we're just going to put it in the video. It's never going to be in the title. It may be in the description, but never in the title. So this way, you guys that watch the videos will know when the giveaway is going to happen. And if you're enjoying the content, the shorts, there's going to be more full-length videos, I promise, which is very crazy around here. But if you're enjoying what you see on the channel and you'd like to help us out by joining the membership, just go to the home page of our channel, Hobby Link International, click that membership and join up. There's 4 different tiers, and it's always appreciated any of the help that you guys give us, because it'll help with resins and tools and all sorts of stuff that we do here, especially paints. I'm running out of paints, but let's get to the giveaway. We had 30 people throw a comment in there, so 30 people have a chance to win this guy here. What we did was printed up a Superman bust that didn't come out perfect for the shop, so I actually fixed up the back. You're still gonna have some cleanup and stuff like that to do, but the front, his face, his crest, and all that other stuff is perfect, so that's no big deal. Anything else is going to be towards the back, and he's a nice little bust that you can add onto your shelf. And this is actually the FunCreCol red wax resin, so he looks pretty cool in that. I didn't want to waste it. I had a little left, so we did that. And this little tin is FunCreCol UV resin, because once you glue this guy in, there's going to be a little gap here, and I want you to be able to test this out. So you'll have to use like a little sculpting tool or something like that to put it on, because I don't have one of those for you. And then use your UV flashlight, sand it down. I'll let you know though, when you do cure this, it dries pretty darn hard. So good luck to everybody that entered into the giveaway for this. Remember, I can go with the United States. If we got one guy from Canada, so I'll check the pricing on that. If it's not too bad, I'll send it up to Canada. But if it's horrible, I'll pick another person and let you know. So let's get over to the drawing for Superman. And here we go. We got everybody's name that dropped a comment on the short. We're gonna do like we did last time. We're gonna shuffle, 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 shuffle. Shuffle it up a whole bunch of times. This way the names are all in there in random instead of how they were. And what we're going to do is we're going to click the little spinny here in the middle and let her spin, 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 and see who wins the Superman bust. And it is KL Tube 1222. Congratulations. Let's hit the little button too. There should have been kids cheering. I don't know if it worked or not, but there should have been. So congratulations, KL Tube, on getting the little Superman bust here. Like I said, you still have some cleanup and stuff like that to do, but the most important part, his facial features and his crest and a little bit of the cape here is really nice, and the front of the base came out really well too. You may have to do a little more sanding over here because I didn't prime it, so I can't tell if there were any little gaps, so you do have some FunCreCol to work with on that. Again, a huge, not just a thank you, a huge thank you to FunCreCol for sending over those resins for us to test out. And also, they didn't send over the FunCreCol UV putty. I bought that myself. If you're interested in stuff, pick it up. It works really well for gaps and stuff like that. The other one I'm going to pick up is one that is more, I don't want to say liquid, but more like a paste consistency. This way I want to see how that one works too, especially for gaps and stuff like that. So again, a huge thank you to you guys for watching the video and knowing that there was a giveaway today. So keep on watching, keep on hitting that like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. And again, if you'd really like to help the channel out, hit that membership. We'd love to have you on board. We will be doing stuff for members and all that good jazz. So we will see you on the next short. Hopefully I get back to I Dream of Jeannie on that one. I got to finish her up, and I got to finish a bunch of stuff up over here. This way we could get to Snow White, and then I'll let you know about our new shop where you can buy 3D prints from us. Not the STL files, but the 3D prints. So I hope you all had a great weekend, and I will see you on the next short. Take care, and bye-bye, everybody.